Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Good Friday. Um, the other day I was watching, actually, basically I'm watching every day these videos with this lovely stamp design. I think it was Gina K design, little die that I absolutely love, and this is on my wish list. But while I was watching that, I remember I had this big punch, like the punch square with scallop edges, like a stamp. So I decided to do something with with that today. I think it's been 10 years without using it. So I stamped quite a few of those little square, and I'm masking with the washi tape um, one of them directly on my waffle flower mat. Now I could create a stencil, of course, but I've been a bit lazy, so I decided let's try just with washi tape. And it actually worked, of course, so that's what I'm doing. So I mask all the edges, leaving a little that's gonna leave a little white space. And then I'm just gonna go around very lightly with a bit of color that is on one of my brushes. I believe it is uh, which blue is that? Don't remember, but anyway, as a blue, light blue. And I'm gonna use this stamp set that my friend Samuel created, and it's absolutely adorable. It's got this cute character, so I'm just gonna use 3 of them as stamps today. So once I place the color, I just stamp directly to it with the memento ink, because I'm gonna color them with the copy marker. Now very lightly I try to remove the washi tape without ruining the paper, because unfortunately to use it with that punch I had to use a very light weight cardstock, so it's quite delicate. And now here I should have bent my mat instead of peel it off, but anyway, I'm just gonna mat it later with a few layers, so I'm not too worried about the curl. So I'm just going with the second stamp. Again, I'm gonna cover the edges, and this time I'm gonna go in with some pink that I believe is picked raspberry, of course. Just go around the edges, try to keep the center white or almost white. And now again, I love the reveal that the little piece of white is so nice. Now I put it back because of course I forgot that I need to stamp. So I'm just taking another character. This time I'm taking I believe it's the little monkey. That is super cute. Again, I'm gonna apply some ink, some memento ink. I'm printing on a acrylic block. So try to position it and then just pressing down, and that's it. They're so cute. Now I could even leave them like that, but I decided to color them. Now at that point I ruin a little bit of the corner, so I'm just going on the other side very gently. There we go. As I said, it's super delicate, this lightweight paper. I tried to punch with my watercolor cardstock, but didn't work. Didn't go through, so there you go. How sweet is that? Now here I remember to bend my mat, and as a last stamp I'm gonna use some orange color that I think is spice marmalade. I think it could be spice marmalade. Yes, definitely spice marmalade, yes. So just gonna go around again the edge, just the edges, just to create the cute little white border. And now again I forgot that I need to stamp, so I'm peeling it off everything. Look how cute is that border though, so nice. Now at this point I remembered that oh wait a second, I didn't stamp yet. So I left the bottom part, and luckily my third character, there is a little hedgehog, not hedgehog, I don't know what to say, but it's super cute, and is luckily fit inside the square, so I won't touch the white borders. There you go. How adorable is that? There you go. Now again, I bend, remember to bend that. Hedgehog, I think it's hedgehog. Now I'm just gonna layer my stamps with more cardstock. So I've got at least 3 layers here. I already layered the white one twice. And my last one, the little monkey. There you go. And now I'm just gonna color them. To color them I use 3 of my 3 blend from Spectrum Noir. So I'm gonna try to freeze the frame so you can see the color if you might be interested. I just decided to color them, all the 3 of them with the same colors. So tan blend, I don't remember anymore. Now starting with the hedgehog. Oh my gosh, I need to learn how to say Sonic. I start with Sonic, and just very simply coloring. So I'm not doing any shading or anything. You know, I should practice a bit more with my color markers, because I become very lazy. I like ink blend, and I like coloring. It just I don't feel I'm very good at it, so I don't put enough effort. I need to practice more. Now I'm trying to give a bit of different colors for the tips of the spiky things that the hedgehog are, and then I finish up with a bit of pink in the cheek and the ear. Now for the little puppy, I start with a color that was too light, and I'm drawing the part that I wanted to keep like spots, light spots, but then I wasn't really sure at this point. I said, I'm not convinced about this color. And then when I went with what was supposed to be the darker color, I really didn't like it. So at a certain point I decided to color everything up and this to be my lighter color. So I just color everything, and then after with a darker shade I'm just gonna create some spots in my little puppy. There you go. Another spot here and there, and that's it. Again, a bit of pink for the ears and for the cheek. And the monkey, same colors as the hedgehog, or the others. A little bit light for the face and the belly, and then down with the brown. I don't know why I kept all this part. I could have just cut it off. You probably find it very boring, and I don't really know what to say while I'm coloring. There's not much skills. And that's it. Now, I wanted to add those little, you know, the the price of the stamps. That, so I just made it up some numbers. This one is gonna cost 50 cents. It will be probably pounds in in here in London. You don't find the stamps that cost pence anymore. Now everything costs pounds. But yeah, just made it up some numbers. And then I decided to add the little waves of the, you know, the postage stamps that they do when they reach the post office. I do have a stamp somewhere that can do this, but again, I was being very lazy. I just wanted to see if I could create something just what we had on hand. So, and I think it worked in the end. It came out quite nice. So here again, a couple of waves. Nothing too complicated. They're not perfect, but it doesn't matter. And for the last one, a couple of more waves. That's it. So cute. Now I'm using one of my latest embossing folder that is a classic backdrop that I got it with my kit, my March kit, and it's really nice, so I decided to use it. And I'm gonna emboss this panel that is 3.5 by 7.5 inches. I'm gonna spritz it with a bit of water just to make sure it doesn't crack. It wouldn't crack anyway because it's a watercolor cardstock and they never crack, even when I forget to put the water, but it does leave a better impression. So I'm just gonna pass it to my platinum 6. I've got I've got the nails, I've got the stickers in my nails that are very Easter. It's got some bunnies. And there you go, look at this beauty. Ah, it's so nice. So I'm just gonna find the position for my little stamps. I want to have a centimeter at the bottom, so I'm just gonna leave some more space at the bottom. Yeah, I think like that it works. So now I'm just gonna add some foam square at the back, and I'm using this. I cut some square from a panel of double sides foam. And I'm just gonna adhere to the back of my stamps. And that's it. Now I'm gonna start from the last one, the little monkey. There you go. Try to leave this even space on the side and on the top. And now I'm just gonna put my first one, and the little doggy I'm gonna center in the middle, like that. There you go, so cute. Now on the back I'm gonna put some more foam, double side foam. There you go. And I'm gonna attach the whole things in a card I created that is 8 by 4, so that's gonna leave a bit of space all around. I always do that. I like to have my little borders around my panels. Now at this point I noticed that my first stamp is not straight. I attach a bit wonky, and they really irritate me. I'm debating what to do, and in the end I decide to try to take it off gently. And I did ruin a little bit under, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna cover it again. So I'm just gonna put some liquid glue, and I'm just gonna attach it again. This time I'm gonna try to pay more attention. I could use my tea ruler, but I don't know what's wrong today. I just feel like, nah, too far away. I had to look in one of my drawers now. Now, for a sentiment, I decided to use a die that from my old small die of the month. I think it was, yeah, November, and it's called Build a Card Hello. And I'm gonna use the hello word. I die cut it twice out of white cardstock, heavy cardstock. I think it's 300 GSM. That I don't know in pounds, I'm afraid, but it's a heavy one. And then I attach on top one die cut out of pink. I try to go as close as possible to the little monkey background, the color. And that's it. Quite simple card. I really enjoyed making it, and I love this little stamp. I'm gonna do some more. I'm gonna do some with the flowers, I think, next, because I saw these beautiful cards from again from Gina K Design, and I think was Mindy again. I was so pretty. I was like, oh, I want to do it, so I need to get that set. And that's it. The card is done. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it and you like the cards and these cute little critters. Have a lovely Easter weekend, and I'll probably see you soon. Bye.